Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to do Gothic English calligraphy. So let's start. In this video, we will learn how to write small alphabets in Gothic English calligraphy. We have learned capital English calligraphy in previous lecture, and now in today's lecture we will study the Gothic English calligraphy in small letters. So here I have started from A and now I'm writing C because we have already written B. And now it's turn to write D here, and after that we will move ahead towards the E, and here we are learning how to write E in Gothic calligraphy. Now it's time to learn how to write F in Gothic English calligraphy. If you remember that we have used thick and thin part of our marker, pencil or any other thing in writing capital letters of Gothic English calligraphy. Similarly, in today's lecture, we will also use thick and thin part of our marker. Same like I am using in this portion. You can watch clearly that some part of my calligraphy are very thick and some part of my calligraphy are thin. And if you don't have watched my previous video on the Gothic English calligraphy capital letters, then you can watch it on my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, then subscribe my channel. And here we are writing now K after writing all these words in Gothic English calligraphy. And after writing K we have written L, and now it's turn to write M. It's little different from other words but is similar with the N. And here we have written M, now it's turn to write N here. And after writing N we will move towards the O. And or this small O is too much similar to our capital O that we have done in our previous lectures. Now after that we will move ahead towards writing the P, and it's little different from the capital P. And after that we will move ahead towards writing Q, and now it's turn to write R. And after that we will move ahead to write the S here. As you can see here, I have written 2G in my calligraphy, and here I am writing similarly 2S. I have written them 2 times, not for this reason that they are wrong, but for this reason there are 2 shapes of S and G in our Gothic calligraphy. And here after writing 2 shape of S, now we are moving towards writing T, and now it's turn to write U. After writing U, it's turn to write V, and V is also little different from others but is similar to W. You can watch on the screen clearly that our V and W are similar to each other. And after writing W, we will move ahead towards the X, and or this small x is similar to our capital X. And now we are moving towards writing Y here. And here we will also use 2 shapes of Y in the Gothic calligraphy. And after writing Y, now it's turn to write Z, and it's the first shape of Z. And now it's the second shape of Z in our Gothic calligraphy. And here our lecture is completed, and here is the final look of our calligraphy. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.